Are you ready to power up your career in electronics? At San Diego City College, we offer a dynamic electronics program that blends hands-on experience with cutting-edge technology. Imagine working directly with state-of-the-art equipment and gaining real-world experience in electronics. Our electronics program stands out with its in-depth training in installing, operating, and maintaining electronic systems. From day one, you'll dive into practical skills, mastering electronic circuitry, components, and systems. Graduates of our program are prepared for a range of exciting careers in technology, healthcare, or industrial settings. Visit our website to learn more about our electronics program with flexible class schedules and enroll today. We're excited to help you build a strong foundation for a successful electronics career.